Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit Kolava and you're watching Pilotpedia. Today's video is about what is Cadet Pilot Program, how is it different from the normal conventional path, what are the pros and cons of Cadet Pilot Program, which airlines in India offer the Cadet Pilot Programs, what is the fees of Cadet Pilot Programs, and what is the requirement you have to satisfy to become a Cadet Pilot. So let's get started. First, let me give an introduction about what is Cadet Pilot Program. It is a course offered by almost all the leading airlines in the world. In a Cadet Pilot Program, a student is trained under the supervision of an airline, and after his or her training is complete and she or him gets his commercial pilot license, they'll get type rated in an aircraft which is present in the fleet of the airline. So you would get a doubt, how is it different from the normal conventional path? Because even the normal conventional pilots do the commercial pilot license training and the type rating. Well, the answer is, in the Cadet Pilot Program, when you are joining a Cadet Pilot Program, the airline will give you something called LOI, which is basically called Letter of Intent. It is basically a contract promising you that you will get your job in an airline which is hiring you after your training is done. So let's talk about what are the pros and cons of being a cadet pilot. The pros are, first, you have job security. In this pandemic times, many pilots are losing their jobs and many fresh pilots are unemployed. There are no fresh new job openings and that's what leading to unemployment. But you have a positive side here because you are a cadet pilot. In a cadet pilot program, when you complete your cadet pilot program, you have an alloy which I mentioned previously, and with that you have job security. And even in this pandemic times, the cadet pilots will get job, but they have to wait for a time. The second good thing about cadet pilot program is that all the things will go smoothly because you are under a supervision of an airline. So what are the cons? The biggest problem in a cadet pilot program is that they are way too expensive than a conventional path.
Why? Why, Dada? Why?
This is business.
This is my sweat.
I know, but I did business.
Shut up.
A normal convention path pilot pays around 65 lakhs max for his whole training, whereas a cadet pilot program starts from 71 lakhs and goes up to 1.2 crores, and that's expensive. The second thing is that when you're a cadet pilot, you have a job security. That is a plus point which I mentioned earlier. But the thing is that until the airlines need new pilots, for example, if you're a cadet pilot in Indigo, then until unless Indigo needs new pilots in their airline, you will be kept on bench period. So basically, this bench period can be up to 1 year. But the thing is that you have a secured job. So you would get a doubt. There's so many airlines in India, out of them which provide the cadet pilot programs. In India, Indigo, SpiceJet, and AirAsia provide the cadet pilot programs. Earlier, Jet Airways used to offer the cadet pilot programs, but now it is closed because they are grounded. And now Indigo and AirAsia cadet pilot programs registrations are closed because of the COVID-19 pandemic. But still, SpiceJet cadet pilot program is open. So let's talk about the pricing. All airlines have their own pricing for their cadet pilot programs. In Indigo, there are two types of programs. The one is domestic pathway and the one is international pathway. In domestic pathway, the cadet gets trained in either Gondia, which is in Maharashtra, or in Chimes Aviation Academy. And in the international pathway, they get trained in L3 Harris or some other places. I will give the link in description of all the places of Indigo Cadet Pilot Program as well as the other programs. So the price for Indigo's Cadet Pilot Program in domestic pathway is 71 lakhs and in international pathway it is 1.02 crores, and all these prices are excluded of food, accommodation, visa, transportation. So you have to add and think about the price according to that. The cost of SpiceJet Cadet Pilot Program is around 89.5 lakh rupees. But the thing is that in a SpiceJet Cadet Program, you will offer scholarships in the form of fee deduction. The scholarship is not for everyone. The scholarship is for the people who score more than 92% and more than 96%, or more than 1500 rank to 3000 rank, or less than 1500 rank. If a person gets 92% or more in his 10 plus 2 or a JE rank between 1500 to 3000, he will get a free scholarship deduction of 15 lakh rupees. And if a person gets 96% or more in his 10 plus 2, or you can say a JE rank of less than 1500, he gets a scholarship of 30 lakh rupees. The cost of AirAsia Cadet Pilot Program is around 78 lakh rupees. And let me say, all these prices may be changed due to time. And Indigo Cadet Pilot Program, as it is an international pathway, can change because of dollar rate. Now let's talk about requirements. The first and the foremost important thing is that you should be a minimum of 18 years of age and a maximum of 35 years of age while applying. Some cadet pilot programs even take cadets age 17 years old. The second thing is that you should be an Indian national or an overseas citizen of India. The third thing is that you should have a valid DGCA class 2 medical, and you should even have a valid Indian passport. You should pass your 10 plus 2 with maths, physics, chemistry and English, and if you took commerce or arts same in your 10 plus 2, you can pass with the NIOS board for applying for cadet program. You should even be fluent in English, both verbal and written. If you meet all these requirements, you can fill the form of the respective airlines for their cadet pilot programs, and you will get a call or an email from the airlines for the cadet pilot program information. And if you meet all the requirements, they will call you for the test. Basically, you will have a test of aptitude and some basic 10 plus 12 questions, and even some other tests which may change from airline to airline. And if you pass this all, they'll select you as a cadet and give you the alloy. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to comment on the video. And let's meet in the next video. Thank you.